So if you have a toilet that's continuously running, there's a couple things you can check. And the most common is the valve at the bottom of the flapper. So if that gets misaligned or hung up, it can cause, water to keep running and your toilet to keep running. So you can do is you can jiggle the handle like this, and it'll jiggle the flapper at the bottom up and down, and it may realign it. This has happened on this toilet a couple of times. And as these things get old, they tend to wear out, and that could cause a leak too. So you could have to replace it if that's the cause. Another thing that could cause your toilet to keep running, the water to keep running, is this chain right here. There's a little chain that connects the lever to the flapper. If that gets tangled up on something or hung up on the rod right here going down, the flapper might not seat correctly, and that could cause an issue too and keep the water running inside the tank. Another thing to check out is this float right here. And if it's not adjusted right, there might be letting too much water into the tank, and it might be going down that tube, and you'd hear the water continuously running. Or it could get stuck. It slides up and down, this pipe right here, and if that's all gritty and dirty, it might get hung up and might not shut off correctly, and that would also cause a situation where you hear the water continuously running in your toilet. So these fill valves do go bad once in a while. Sometimes, these might crack and get some water in them. They stop working right. And this stuff is pretty cheap to buy, at your local Home Depot or online. And just a couple quick things to put you in a direction in case you have an issue with the toilet running all the time. Hope the video helps you out.